Urchfab. It's going to be part 33 on the Mongrel build. So stripped everything back off, obviously. And I've got this front piece tacked in. I was kind of spending way too much time worrying about getting all the gaps and panel gaps correct, and kind of had to remind myself that this is just a track car and that all these panels are being replaced with fiberglass. The likelihood of them matching my 60-year-old panels is really unlikely, so yeah, I just need to get it somewhere close. This is where I'm at. I'm just going to stitch weld this piece across the bottom, weld that seam and grind it off, and then I'll weld all the way along the top, smooth it all off, and it will look like one piece. Alright, that's welded in. It's nice and flat. Had to dolly that a bit there because it did warp a little bit, but got it all back out. We better check we're still looking good for gaps.
Like a glove.
This little drip rail would normally, I cut that off because it was rotten. It came down sort of tucked in behind the door there, I think. I'm just going to leave that as it is, cut off there. And then the wing had a little gap in it where it sort of ran down through. So I'll just fill the gap in the wing. And then I've got a little corner to fill down in here. But other than that, that's pretty sweet. I've done all this out of 1.5 and all this piece underneath so that I've got a nice sturdy face to mount some like brackets for the bonnet pins. So I can just mount them straight to the front of here for the bonnet. Might have to make some sort of clip for the wing here, but the wings will be fairly sort of quick release, just a few fixings where they're needed. But yeah, happy with that. Alright, so I'm going to try and do a video every day for this week up till Friday. Seems like January is a bad time for the sort of YouTube advertising money, so need to get as many in as I can. And if you do want to support the channel, there's a link to my Patreon account in the description below. You can chip in $1 a month, and if I can get enough people to chip in $1 a month, then I'm not really going to have to worry so much about the YouTube ads and that sort of stuff. Surely watching the Mongrel come to life is worth $1 a month. Come on. If you're in the UK, that's like 75p. That's all I'm asking, 75p. Or you can buy a hoodie, t-shirt, link to that in the description below. Thanks to everyone that's already bought hoodies, bought t-shirts. That is a really big help. Yeah, other than that, I've got light's not very good here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It just says about the car being built for YouTube and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You lot all got a little thanks in there as well. So there you go. February 2019, classic Ford. Go pick one up, give it a read. But yeah, anyway, that is going to be it for this one. Back on it again tomorrow. Got to do this exactly the same on the other side, but the other side is much worse. We've got a lot more holes. I'm going to take these out, plug all those holes, and then weld up these little bits in the channel here, and that'll probably be tomorrow's video sorted. So yeah, that is it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.